Welcome to Davi Toons Club. Today, we're drawing a Parasaurolophus in a cute and charming retro cartoon style. Bouncy, friendly, and full of personality. Grab your materials, get comfortable, and let's bring this classic dinosaur to life in our fun vintage look. Let's start with the eyes, making them big, expressive, and full of that classic retro cartoon charm. Now let's draw the famous cranial crest, called a parasagittal crest, flowing backwards smoothly. And remember, if any step feels tricky or moves too fast, just pause the video and take it one step at a time. Now draw the nostrils, keeping them simple and softly placed near the front of the snout. Sketch the snout, smooth and rounded, giving the Parasaurolophus a gentle and friendly profile. Add the happy mouth, slightly open with a cheerful curve to enhance the playful cartoon feeling. And don't forget the round cheek, which adds extra cuteness and volume to the face. Draw the neck, long and flexible, connecting the head naturally to the body. Let's shape the rounded body, keeping it soft and bulky to emphasize the friendly herbivore look. Let's add the tail, long and gently curved, helping guide the viewer's eye through the pose. Parasaurolophus lived about 76 to 73 million years ago during the late Cretaceous period. It was an herbivore feeding on leaves, plants, and soft vegetation. Its long head crest is called a cranial crest, and scientists believe it helped produce sounds like a natural musical instrument. Sketch the hind legs, larger and stronger, finishing with simple, rounded claws for stability. The crest may also have been used for communication, attracting mates, or recognizing others of its species. Parasaurolophus walked mostly on its hind legs, but could also use its front legs when moving slowly. It had a duckbill snout, perfect for gathering plants without chewing much. If you're enjoying this drawing, don't forget to leave a like and share this video with your friends. Also, check out our playlist with other dinosaur tutorials. Just click the card in the upper corner. And tell me, which dinosaur would you like to see turned into a cartoon next? Now draw the front legs, smaller and lighter, helping balance the pose in a classic cartoon stance. Fossils of Parasaurolophus have been found mainly in North America. Some scientists believe it lived in groups, which helped protect them from predators. The
hollow crest may have allowed Parasaurolophus to make deep, low sounds that traveled long distances. Add the belly and sensitive underside, using smooth curves to keep the design soft and approachable. Dinosaurs came in many shapes and sizes, from armored tanks to gentle musical plant eaters like this one. Draw the short dorsal sail, subtle and rounded, adding rhythm to the silhouette without overpowering the design. Now place the circular spots across the body to add texture and extra cartoon charm. For colors, warm orange tones work beautifully for the body, with cream colors for the belly and face, but feel free to color your Parasaurolophus however you like. And here's our Parasaurolophus, friendly, retro, and full of cartoon personality. I hope you had fun. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.